Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a delicious meal called arepas. Low in carbs, high in fiber, and low in cholesterol. Come and join me. For the dough, we just need three main simple ingredients. You need carrots, you will need corn flour, and you need oats. The proportion between these three is gonna be around a third of each. And then you will need to start making the dough, making the mix, and while you do it, you need to test out a little bit the consistency. For the stuffing, you will need the next ingredients. You will need a light Greek yogurt, you will need around 2 chicken breasts, 2 avocados, red onion, parsley, and you will need around 2 garlic cloves. Let's start with the recipe. The first thing we're gonna do is the dough, but to get some time, and since we need this chicken to go into boiling water to shred it for the stuffing later, we will start chopping this, putting it into the boiling water, and then we'll start off with the dough. Here we start chopping the chicken, so we put it into the boiling water. Now that we have put the chicken on the boiling water on the pot, we're gonna continue with the dough. We grab the 2 carrots, we peel them off, and then we need to chop it. And then we do something similar with the oats. We need to put it in a mixer to make the oats powder. Let's start by peeling off the carrots. Now in this bowl, when we have all the ingredients ready, we will put some water, some salt, and we start mixing the ingredients together. We will mix the carrots, the oats, the corn flour, and we start adding a little bit of extra salt if needed. With the dough resting for about 2 to 3 minutes, we can start chopping the different ingredients for the stuffing. We will check now if the chicken is ready to start shredding it. The chicken should look like this. Once you have the chicken around that level, it's about time to put it in actually a mixer, or if you want to do it by hand and start shredding it by hand, it can also work. Once we have our chicken shredded like this, it's when we start mixing first the chicken with the avocado. We do like a mix, and then we add the rest of the ingredients together. You need to squeeze them together very, very well. Your mix between the avocados and the chicken should look like this. They look almost like unified. Now it's time to start the other ingredients. I will continue with the garlic, salt, the onions, parsley, and lastly, when you have this, is when you start adding up the Greek yogurt. With the stuffing now ready, it's about time to start making the arepas. You grab the dough that you prepared before and you put a portion on the palm of your hand about this size, and then you start doing like a little ball. I recommend using a little bit of water to moist the dough and to moist a little bit your hands as well. Do this move, no need to stress out. Do the move slowly. I'll show you how it looks, like this, and start pressing down slowly. If you press down too much, you squeeze it too hard, then it will break on the edges and you don't want that. So start doing flipping and pressing at the same time, and you will get this beautiful round shape of arepas. I have this pan in preheat. It's about medium high temperature. Now it's about time, when it's this level of temperature, ready to put your arepa on it. What you should do is start squeezing a little bit down the arepa so it gets a little bit flatter than how you left it with your hands. And that's it. It's about 10 minutes one side and around 10 minutes the other side. So you flip it and then it will be perfectly cooked. So you know when the arepas are ready is when they have this crust and they sound like this, a bit hollow. Now, the proper way to do it is you grab the arepa and you open it from the middle and start rotating so it goes all the way like this. It should look like this. Don't cut it all the way. Look how warm it is. Now open the arepa and put in the mix with it, the Reina Pepiada. People normally will put some butter on it, but as you guys know, we're doing a light version of it with super good fiber, low in carbs, and very low in cholesterol. So this is our way to do it, without any butter. And now you have your beautiful arepa. Look at it. Now let's try it.